for question number 7, our sinusoidal axis, again, is somewhere in the middle between -2 and 18. So the average of those, -2 plus 18, divided by 2 is y is equal to 8. And so then I know that my amplitude is going to be 10, right? 10 above, 10 below. I know my period, if I'm going to go from, well, I'll just go low point to low point. So that's a stretch from 4 to 44. That's a stretch of 40 degrees. And from that period, I'm going to figure out my B value. So B is going to be 360 divided by the period, which is going to give me 9. My B value is 9. And the other thing I know is that if this is sine, I'm going to be starting right here where sine goes up. So that looks like it's a shift 14 degrees to the right. So my equation then is going to be 10 times the sine. B is 9. I'm starting right here, so that's x minus 14. And then we're shifting this up 8. If you want to use cosine, then you might consider, well, you have a number of options. You might consider that this is your starting point, and you're going to do cosine, but then it's obviously negative cosine. So you could say y is -10 cosine of 9, and this is shifted to the right by 4, so x minus 4 degrees plus 8. Or you can consider that this is your starting point. That would work as well. Y is +10 cosine 9 x minus 24 degrees plus 8. Or you could consider this is your starting point for cosine. Y is 10 cosine 9 x plus 16 degrees plus 8. So all of those would be perfectly good answers.